Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for the freshers as well as for experience. So the very first job opportunity is for the Tosca automation. So the skill set required is Tosca automation engineer in healthcare domain, and they should be aware about CI/CD pipelines with minimum 5 years of experience. Location is Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, and Hyderabad. And 2 rounds of interview would be done, and 18 LPA is the package. So if you're interested, you can share your updated CV to this email address. Then there is a job opportunity for freshers at Techtic Technologies, and the role is of Flutter developer intern, and location is of Chennai, and the employment type would be full time. Eligibility criteria is for the freshers. This for the freshers who are having understanding in one of the state management approach, REST API integration, and this is the link that you need to fill. So I'll be putting this link in the comment section as well as in the description of the video, so it becomes easier for you. Then there is a requirement for QA automation Playwright. Experience is 3+ years. Location is Visakhapatnam, and notice period is immediate to 15 days. So interested candidates can share their resumes to this email address. Then there's a requirement for freshers, 0 to 6 months of experience, someone who wants to do Android development, iOS development, PHP development, SEO executive. So this is for the freshers. These are the contact details wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement for QA manual tester. It's a remote job. Experience required is 6 to 12 months. Job type is full time. And you can apply here with the details below. Current experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, and this is the email address. Then there is a requirement for UAT tester, and they are looking for someone who can develop detailed UAT test plans, scenarios, and scripts from business requirements, execute test cases, and document results, identify gaps between requirements and systems functionality. So these are the requirements, and you can join within 2 weeks. So that's the thing. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. So these are the job opportunities for testers, for freshers, as well as for experience. And we shared with you the remote work from home job opportunities as well. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.